Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and Apple the other day introduced some new products unexpectedly with the M6 Mac Mini and M5 Pro, as well as the M5 Max and M5 Ultra Mac Studio, along with an updated Apple keyboard, the Magic Keyboard. I already covered that in a video, and they reduced the price of the polishing cloth. It's now just $9 or so $9 even plus tax, and you'll see it here. So I ordered one, had it delivered, and I wanted to see how it compares with the others. You can actually see the model number here, and this is the latest version. Now again, for $9, I wanted to see how it compares with the others that come with things such as the iPad Pro, the nano-texture one, as you sort of need that, as well as if you have a studio display or maybe a Pro Display XDR. So I have the cloth directly from the Vision Pro. I have one from the Pro Display XDR, and I thought we'd open this one up and see how it compares. So again, you can see these are genuine Apple. They have the Apple in the bottom right, you can see right here. And again, on the other one for the Vision Pro, so you can see on this one again, there's an Apple there. Now let's go ahead and open this up. So for $9, it's not too bad. Let's pull the pull tab off here. There we go. We'll open it up. And there's the polishing cloth. Now, I don't expect this to be any different really. And you'll see inside it says safe for use on all Apple displays and surfaces. So you can see here's the cloth itself. You have the little logo in the bottom right. Very similar to sort of the color of this one from the Vision Pro, but slightly lighter. And compared to the Pro Display XDR cloth, again, it's a little bit different. Now, I do use one on the Pro Display XDR as well as the Studio display, and I really like the nano-texture display that we have here, and this makes it much easier to clean. So if you have a nano-texture display, you typically get one included in the box, but if you needed an additional one, $9 isn't so bad that it's basically just pick it up from Apple. So you'll see it cleans it off quite nice. I haven't found anything else that really cleans a nano-texture display that well, and Apple actually tells you not to use anything else on it. So I've only ever used one of these on a nano-texture display that I have here, and it keeps it clean, scratch-free and everything else. It does feel like it's 2 layers here, where the Vision Pro one may also be 2 layers, but it has a slightly different feel to it, and it's a slightly different size. So again, this is the one I just unboxed. Here's the Vision Pro one that comes included in the box. So you'll see slightly different here. And again, Pro Display XDR. This one is my least favorite as far as the texture. Also, one additional detail I just noticed is look at the corner radius here. It matches the iPad Pro. Right around the corner here, it's a perfect match. In fact, Apple does that with all of their products. Even if we go back to the oldest polishing cloth I have here, it perfectly matches the corner radius on basically all of their devices. The same is true if I bring in an iPhone. Again, put it right here, and you can see the size or the corner radius. Very similar, not exact there, but more like you have on the iPad. But again, I always appreciate Apple's attention to detail with things like that. And here's another one I had sort of crammed into a backpack from a Studio Display XDR. It looks like it's the same size as the $9 one, so it's basically the same one, it seems, that comes with the Studio display. So pretty much the same thing, nothing really amazing, but it is a really nice cleaning cloth and much better than what we had with this texture in the past. So definitely pick one up if you need to clean your nano-texture display or Apple display. Of course, it won't disinfect your display, but it does a great job of cleaning it and just wipe off the smudges, and it's something I use every single day. It seems to do a good job of not accumulating a whole lot of lint either, but let me know if you're using a new polishing cloth or you have an old one. I'd love to hear what you think of them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.